Kaya, say good morning first, babe. Kaya? Can you say good morning? Let's look at your outfit, babe. Show your outfit, can you turn? I turn. Wow. Wow. Oh, oh. You're good, you're good.
I'm down to the
Kaya, where are we going? Where are we going?
into the road trip.
Into a road trip. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yes.
I want to go to the side.
Can you say, I'm so excited. Say hi. Daming sports car. Oh, doon pa kanina. We're here. Wow, kita. Yes. Animals. Drive-through safari. Oh! Maganda pala kung may food. Yan naman, nakita na namin yung mga animals. So exciting!
Iyan na si baby.
Ano na, baby? Dami nila, oh. Daming deer. Katakot itong malalaking goat na to. Tingnan niya yung nasungay ng baka, oh. Laki.
Ka-weird pa, paano ka suli?
What's this cow,
Tapos doon may
Nanay?
bison doon.
And
May
what's
bison.
this cow, Nanay?
It's a big horn cow.
Yeah.
Hindi ako dito.
And the baby.
It's a baby cow.
How did we're going to the zoo?
We're going to the zoo.
Wala yung pag-ibig kasi deer yun.
Sunguin, Nanay.
Yes.
You're not finding more animals. It's fine.
What do you see?
I see some
What's that?
Ano video yan?
What is it?
more trees.
Some more deer.
They love the trees.
They love the treats, yes.
Yeah, babe. I got two guys. What more? Let's find some more animals.
Dear baby, oh, that's the hay.
Yeah.
There's their food.
Yeah,
Anong yeah?
apple.
Oh.
Hey,
Yes, and we're looking for what?
5 animals.
5 animals. What animals did you see?
Let's try some more animals.
Okay.
I'm looking for an animal. Another day.
Hi, Kilimanjaro.
Hi, Kilimanjaro.
Is she eating?
What animals do you looking for?
Basta pa lang.
Ang ganda ng ano, no? Ang ganda ng print ng ano nila, balat. Parang pintahan. Daming zebra. Say hi to the zebra.
We're going I love them to you see and what the egg is this the animals eating look now I'm seeing the animals look
Yes.
and see wow animals successes I will see some whoa some beautiful eating some I see the deer.
Yeah.
Animals are selling for the rides. And there's some zebras. Hi, zebras. has some black.
Hi, animals. Weird animals.
Hi, weird animals.
Ostrich.
No, she's looking at us.
Ang ostrich. Ang laki nila.
Nana is for some more animals.
Okay. Kambing na naman. Another kambing.
Patsagaan mo, Gab.
Dami doon.
Happy tea.
Gutom na ako.
Ha?
Nagutom na ako. Baba ka.
I will to throw it out, Nana.
Yeah. Here, oh. It's here.
And I figure, Nana, snip some money.
So many what?
Bees, Nana.
Bees. Is that bees? Just langaw.
Just ang two nangas, Nana.
Yes.
Run, 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 run.
Kuha ng pagkain.
Gabi. Let's go. Dito ako tanan. Susunod yung sa likod ko. Mabanting. Mabanting na.
Tara na.
Bye-bye, Rhino.
Bye-bye, Rhino.
Hey, Bambi.
This is Bambi. Tignan niyo.
Nana.
Look at that.
Can I get to it? Die.
Picturean ko kaya daw. Ang mga pa-dinosaur sila dito. May bayad? Wala siguro. Ah. Ay, meron. Ito yung mga pa-dinosaur nila. Ah. Ito, nagtanog pa. Ah, parang kampastohan lang. Ang laki.
Dinosaur, what's the name? It? This one, what's this? Yes.
Ayan ang unggoy doon. Oh. Ayan, nag-swing-swing. Oh. Ito naman maliit yun. Ayan o. Ayan o. So cute. Gibbon. Ayan, ayan. Ito na yung unggoy, yung cute. Cute. Ay, baby na naman sa kanya. It's a monkey. It's a gibbon. Gibbon. Kaya. What's that, baby? What did you buy?
A stuffy.
The stuff. You like it?
Yeah, I like this.
Is that your favorite stuffy?
Yeah.
You say thank you to nanay and tatay.
Thank you, Nana.
Did you enjoy?
Yeah.
What did you do today? What did you see?
Look at
Okay.
this. Snap.
Bye-bye! Uwi na kami!